Hello students. See, last class we learned the some integrals of some particular functions, that is integration of 1 by a square plus x square, a square minus x square, x square minus a square, okay, root of a square minus x square, all the 6 formulas, and based on that examples we have. Okay. Next, see, to find the integrals of given dx divided by ax square plus bx plus c quadratic form, and this is root of ax square plus bx plus c. Next, px plus q ax square plus bx plus c. Next, px plus q root of x square plus bx plus c. Means these type of integrals means quadratic forms, that is ax square plus bx plus c, convert it is in the form of perfect square method, what we have done in the functions, that is invertible functions, that the quadratic equation we are converting in the form of perfect square method. For example, if I take x square plus 2x plus 4, this is the given example. We have to convert this one is in the form of perfect square method, that is the perfect square method is a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, or else another one is a minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square, or any one form we can apply. See, if middle one is plus means it is a plus b the whole square, if middle one is minus it is a minus b the whole square. Okay, and convert this one is in the form of perfect square method. See, x square plus 2. Okay, what is your a? See, a is x, right? This is a. Okay, but here b is not mentioned because x square plus 2x plus 4 is not a perfect square. Therefore, whatever left in the middle one, that one we consider as b. Here which one is left? Here 1. Here which one is left? 1. Because in the middle it is given only 2x. If we need middle one 2x means 2 into x into 1, what is it? It is 2x. Okay, plus 4. Means this is exactly in the form of a square plus 2ab. Correct? 2 is as it is 2, a is x, b. Whatever left, that one we consider as b. But we need here perfect square. B square we need, means b is 1, do the square, 1 square. Suppose if we add 1 square, naturally we have to subtract 1 square to balance the equation. Plus 4 we are taking as it is, plus. Means we get it is a perfect square of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Means this is a perfect square of x plus 1. See, x plus 1 the whole square. Instead of a plus b, here x plus 1 the whole square. Minus 1 square is minus 1 plus. You get it is in the form of x plus 1 the whole square. Minus 1 plus 4 is what? 3. Means this one you can write this one as x plus 1 the whole square plus root 3. In this way we can convert if it is in the form of what? Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation convert in the form of perfect square method. This is the example what I explained. And next, see, this is in the form of, okay, this is for example, if we mention calculate the integration of x square plus 2x plus 4 dx. Okay. The denominator already we solved. This one is in the form of 1 divided by x plus 1 the whole square plus root 3 square dx. Means we convert it, this one is in the form of standard form, that is here the standard form is a square plus x square. Okay, these two are we are using the perfect square method. What I explained by using the example, I explained neatly. Please go through that. Okay. Next is mentioned integration of px plus q by x square plus bx plus c, px plus q divided by root of x square plus bx plus c. In these two forms, there is a condition, there is a rule we have to apply. For that, see, let us consider what we have done here. Let us consider the numerator, this numerator px plus q. We can write this is the rule of solving these two type of example we have to apply. Okay, let us consider the numerator px plus q. Px plus q is a into d by dx of denominator plus b. Means a and b are not constants. Okay, that one we are taking a into differentiation of denominator plus b. See, a d by dx of denominator is what? Ax square plus bx plus c. X square differential is what? 2x. Therefore, we can write this 2ax plus b. X differential is 1, c is 0. Therefore, this is the differentiation of ax square plus bx plus c plus d. We are writing. And here we have to calculate the value of a and b because that constants we have to calculate. Because we assume. Therefore, to determine a and b, if you want to calculate a and b, correct? We have to equate both the sides. Equate both the sides, the coefficients of x. The coefficients of x. If I take the coefficient of x here, and actually we have to take this side, left hand side also x. If you take constant, here also we have to equate the constant. The same concept they have given. We equate from both the sides coefficients of x and constant term. Then a and b are obtained. By using that concept, which one will get? A and b will get. And hence, we can convert that one is in the form of standard integration. Then we can do easily integration. Okay, this is how we can apply for all these 4 types. Okay, by using the example, we can know the concept easily. This is the theoretical part. I will give examples. With example, I will explain. First one, we take one example, that is first example is integration of 1 divided by x square minus 6x plus 13. Integration of 1 divided by x square minus 6x plus 13 dx. Better you convert this one as a perfect square. For that, see, either you can apply a plus b the whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square for, or else another for a minus b the whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. See, these two forms are exist. If it is the middle term is minus, we get a minus b the whole square form. If middle term is plus, we get the which form is perfect square? A plus b. That one you have to remember. Okay. See, given is x square minus 6x plus 13. Just concentrate. I will give the explanation. Just listen. This is x square plus 2ab. 2 is compulsory here. 2. Okay. A. What is your a here? X. Right. A is x here. 2a. B. Whatever left, no, that one we consider as b. See, if I multiply by 3, we'll get 6. If I multiply by 3, we'll get 6. That one is the left quantity. That one we consider as b. Therefore, this is exactly in the form of a square minus 2ab. Okay, whatever left, no, that one we consider as b. Okay, here b is 3, but we need here perfect square. Therefore, we have to do b square. B square is 3 square. What we have done here, we have added the b square. If we add means compulsory, we have to subtract. That one we have to subtract minus 3 square plus last one is 13. Correct. Next, this is plus b square, and this is a square minus 2ab plus b square is the formula of a minus a is what? X minus b is what? 3. X minus 3 the whole square minus 9 plus 13. This is x minus 3 the whole square minus 9 plus 13 is 4. Therefore, we can write this one as integration of 1 divided by x minus 3 the whole square plus 4 dx. Correct. Or else we can rewrite this one is in the form of 4 plus x minus 3 the whole square. Or else we can write integration of 1 divided by 2 square plus x minus 3 the whole square dx. Correct. Next, see, this is exactly in the form of a square plus x square form. Means we have the formula 1 divided by a square plus x square is 1 by a. 1 by a is what here? 2. Tan inverse x. What is your x? X minus 3 by a 2 plus. This is the example how we can calculate. Next example, I think. Next example is mentioned integration of 1 divided by 9 x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. See, middle one is plus, therefore this is naturally the formula of a plus b square. Okay. And what is given? It is 9x square plus 6x plus 5. We have to convert in the perfect square. 9x square means we can write this one as 3x the whole square plus 2ab. 2. What is your a here? This is a. A square plus 2ab. Correct. What is your a? 3x. 3x. Means 2 into 3x what we get? 6x. Means what is left here? Only 1 is left. That one we consider b. Means for b, we subtract as well as add perfect square. B square 1 square minus 1 square plus 5 means we get it is b square. Means this is a form of a. What is your a? 3x plus b is 1 the whole square minus 1 plus 5 means we get it is 3x plus 1 the whole square minus 1 plus 5 is 4. Okay. Therefore, we can write this one as integration of 1 divided by 4. 4 means what it is? 2 square plus 3x plus 1 the whole square dx. And this is again in the form of 1 divided by a square plus x square. And we have the formula 1 divided by a square plus x square is 1 by a, that is 1 by 2 tan inverse x. What is your x? 3x plus 1 by a 2 plus c. But our answer is wrong. Why? See, if x is multiplied by some constant, that constant always we are taking in the denominator. Already I explained by solving the examples in the form of ax plus b. Okay, whatever x is multiplied by constant, that constant we are taking the denominator. So that we get this in the form of 1 by 6 tan inverse 3x plus 1 divided by 2 plus means the given example we have to convert in the perfect square method by simplification of perfect square. That one converted in the form of what? Standard form. Okay, that standard form we are applying. Okay, next example is integration of 1 divided by root of 5x minus x square dx. Okay, here see what is given? It is 5x minus x square. Take minus and common, we get x square minus 5x. Okay, x square minus 5x minus, okay, x square as it is See, in between we need a 2. Here 2 is not given. If it is not given, we have to take minus 2. We have to take. Correct? Understood or not? If we take means compulsory, we have to multiply so that it is balanced. Did you understand? If you multiplied by, if you are taking 2, means naturally divide so that it is balanced. Okay? Next 5x, I will write 5x. Okay? 2 into 1 by 2 minus 5x. Okay? Next, see, minus x square minus 2. Okay? 5 by 2 this is. 5 by 2. Better I write 2x 5 by 2. Why I will tell you. This is in the form of a square minus 2a. What is your a? X. B. B is what here? 5 by 2. Means what we are doing here? B square. Means we are doing 5 by 2 the square, adding and next subtracting. Okay. And we will get this is a perfect square of this. And this is a perfect square of what? A minus b. Means x minus 5 by 2 the whole square. Minus 5 by 2 the whole square. Take minus sign inside, we get it is minus into minus become plus 5 by 2 the whole square minus x minus 5 by 2 the whole square. Okay, this is we will get in the form of 1 divided by 5 by 2 the whole square minus x minus 5 by 2 the whole square dx. Means this is exactly in the form of a square minus x square. What is your a here? A is 5 by 2. And we have the formula 1 divided by a square minus x square. Formula is what? 1 by 2a log of modulus of a plus x by a minus 6. That formula we have to apply here. That is 1 by 2, a is 5 by 2 log of modulus of a is 5 by 2 plus x. X is what? X minus 5 by 2 divided by a 5 by 2 minus x. What is x minus 5 by 2 plus 2 get cancelled. 1 by 5 log of, check the LCM. LCM is 2. Therefore, we will get it is 5 plus LCM 2x minus 5 divided by 2. 5 minus 6. Correct? Minus and minus become plus 5 divided by plus 6 get that 2 get cancelled. Minus 5 plus 5 get cancelled. We get the answer is 1 by 5 log of modulus of 2x by 5 plus 5 is 10 minus x plus this is the how we can calculate the answer. This is the example of what 1 by 5x minus x square. This is the example of 1 by 5x minus x square. If it is in the form of whatever the 5x minus x square, we can do like this. Okay. Suppose if they mention root. Suppose if they mentioned a root like this, means this is also in the form of root. Okay. And which formula we have to apply here? Here we have to apply integration of 1 divided by root of a square minus x square. That is the formula 1 by a sin inverse x by a plus c. That formula we have to apply here. What is our a? A is 5 by 2. 1 by a. 1 by 5 by 2 sin inverse x. X is what? X minus 5 by 2 divided by a. 5 by 2 plus 2 get cancelled. Sorry. Better you take the LCM first. 2 by 5 sin inverse. Take LCM 2x minus 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 plus 2 get cancelled. you get the answer is 2 by 5 sin inverse 2x minus 5 divided by 5 plus 6. This is the example.